Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Ben.
I'm Chris.
And this is our channel, Too Much Luggage. In this little journey, we're taking a road trip from Vegas to the Grand Canyon. It's a little 3-day road trip for the weekend. It should be a great time.
And now we stop at the viewpoint to see the Colorado River. So you can see that behind me over there.
It's absolutely a breathtaking viewpoint here. We're in the Lake Mead National Recreational Area, just on the Arizona side of the Hoover Dam. Another great stop if you're taking the 4-hour drive to the Grand Canyon. So come along with us as we take the road trip from Vegas to the Grand Canyon. We're about an hour into the drive, an hour and a half maybe. We're going through Kingman, Arizona. There's some really beautiful landscapes around here. Chris is driving. She's so nice to drive.
I'm only driving 86 and it's 70. So
Don't tell YouTube.
But we have to pass the cars. We have to pass the motorcycles.
Some of the things to see on the road trip between Las Vegas and the Grand Canyon. You got Kingman here. There's some beautiful landscapes around here and great golf. There's Arizona, which is in Williams, right? Which is just down the road from the Grand Canyon. It's a really cool drive-through zoo. You also have the Williams train, which I think we're going to take, yeah?
We're going to try, but I don't know. We didn't buy any tickets, so I don't know if you can make it, if you can find a ticket.
Tickets available?
And we will stop at Bear, Arizona too, if it's open. Even we did that before. For us, it's nice to drive like close to the bears and all the animals. Those animals are rescued animals, so it's not like they are in capture just for that. So we're gonna have fun in the Grand Canyon, and we're gonna do all the short 1 mile hikes. We are not doing the 9 miles hike down to the canyon and back, but we're gonna take you with us and you'll see all the beautiful places we can see.
Here we are in Williams, Arizona. It's the big town right off the 40 freeway. This is the turnoff to get to the Grand Canyon National Park. We had plans to come through and get some gas and check out a waterfall here called Sycamore Falls, but it is raining pretty heavy, so we're not sure if we're gonna get a chance to see the falls, but we're gonna try.
We're on Route 66, right there.
So Williams, Arizona is right off the historic Route 66. Lots of different Route 66 memorabilia here and restaurants, signboards, and gas. $4.19. We're in Vegas right now. It is about $5.50 a gallon.
Here's the Route 66, and it's so good. But it's raining, but still like it. So we're in Williams, Arizona, and we're gonna go to see a falls in the rain.
Well, we decided to go find Sycamore Falls in the rain anyways. We found the road turns into a hard-packed forestry road, but it's not that bad, is it, baby?
I have to drive only 23 miles per hour on this White Horse Lake Road. But it's pretty. It's just this road between
Hopefully it's worth it. They say the waterfall only runs right after it rains, and well, it's raining right now, so Can't wait to see it. All right, here it is, Sycamore Rim Trail. It's a half-mile easy loop to Sycamore Falls, which is a seasonal waterfall. And hopefully with all this rain that we're currently having, it's really pretty right now with a lot of water going over it. Hey baby, did you know I was taking you on the rainforest?
If you knew I had backpack protection for the rain.
I didn't know.
Ooh.
It wasn't supposed to rain today.
It wasn't.
All
But
right.
we're supposed to be ready all the time, so we have
We are. We had our rain jackets and hiking poles and umbrellas. All ready.
We are ready.
Well, after a short but very wet and muddy trail, we come to this beautiful chasm. Wow, look at that. That's a nice, cool looking canyon there.
Oh wow.
Ooh, that's an edge.
Baby, be careful.
I will, babe.
Wow,
I
look at this
I think
canyon.
we're sort of on top of the waterfalls now, but I'm not sure. Beautiful here.
Wow, so beautiful. Look at this canyon. Wow. I think it's a perfect weather for it because you can see all the colors.
Yeah,
I
the
don't know if you
overcast
can
sky,
see them on
you
the
can see all the
camera.
colors, yeah.
But
Oh yeah, I think we're right on top of the waterfall, baby. Here, come over this way.
I'm coming. We are leaving this beautiful place.
It's a really good side trip. The fall really wasn't running, even though it's raining right now. It's mostly a spring fall, I guess, after the winter snow melt.
So even was raining, it's not anymore. We recommend it. I came with an umbrella, I got with the stick, but it's worth it. The canyon is so pretty.
It's super pretty. Super short hike. You can keep walking along the rim trail, but we're not, because if it starts raining really hard, we don't want to be out here, and it's starting to get dark. But definitely worth the side trip. About what, 30 minutes out of the way from Williams, Arizona?
Yeah, the road is not that pretty for 7 miles, but you can do it with any car. Just drive slow. Come here and look at this prettiness.
Yeah, a definite must-see sort of attraction, or I don't know, if you want to see it, if you're visiting the Grand Canyon. And now we're off to Grand Canyon Village, to our hotel.
And we're gonna let you, we're gonna put the footage we record from the canyon. So watch and enjoy. See how this road is on the rain. Very slippery. very muddy, and we still did it. It's not the best room at Holiday Inn. It's kind of strange how they have the mirror here and the bathroom over here, but it's a good good position of this hotel, right by the end, by the entrance. And we got 2 beds. Anybody else want to come here with us on Grand Canyon? Look at the picture. And we see people walking. Ooh. At least we have a fridge, a coffee maker, a small TV, small TV, small microwave. So it's got everything in here. So we recommend Holiday Inn Express Grand Canyon. The rooms are so cute. They have like Grand Canyon numbers on it. Look at this.